International Day of Persons with Disabilities.
How's your day started out?
Disabled?
My day started out with me making coffee, forgetting to plug in the hot water kettle.
If a toaster turns bread into toast, what does a kettle turn water into?
Water.
Hot water.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to
Wheel
Stutter
Blindly.
How's it going, Dante?
I'm blessed and highly favored. How are you guys doing?
I'm incredible. How are you guys?
I'm disabled.
There you
On this International Day of Persons with Disabilities.
How's your day started out?
Disabled?
My day started out with me making coffee
Nice.
and me turning on my hot water kettle
The hot water kettle. That's the better one.
and me pouring a hot water kettle into my coffee, forgetting to plug in the hot water kettle.
So it wasn't a hot water
There
kettle.
wasn't a hot water kettle.
It was
I've never-
room temperature.
Room temperature.
I've never heard the term hot water kettle before.
No.
Kettle, but
But it
supposed
makes
to be-
hot water.
Yeah, but it's not an actual kettle on a stove. It's a kettle that you
I got you. You
Electric
plug it
kettle.
in, yeah.
We're
plug
aware.
in. It's electric,
We're aware.
hot water. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a blind thing.
Question.
Yes, sir.
If a toaster turns bread into toast, what does a kettle turn water into?
Water.
Hot water.
Water.
Shall we play the game?
Oh, did you see that?
Hot.
We're all going to close our eyes and we're going to play video and everyone's going to guess what it is. It'll be easier today because we have a tiny little screen.
Let's go, baby. Is that cracked? Wait, did that actually crack? Is that cracked? That was funny. Uh-oh!
I don't know, but I love that kid.
Yeah.
Okay, who's got guesses? I got a guess.
Okay, Todd, you start.
Yeah.
I think he threw something against the TV and cracked the screen.
Okay. Jared?
Drop something heavy on the floor.
I can't comment on this because I know exactly what it is.
Ah.
You saw this video?
I know the kid's voice because it was hilarious.
He shot this video.
And I'm going to do the spoiler and say Todd is right.
Hey.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's never happened before, I don't think.
Yes, it has.
Whatever. Big winner. Who's the big wiener? So let's hear what it was.
Yeah.
Wiener, that's what it was.
Yeah.
But
This
what-
kid was throwing a baseball,
Was
and,
it baseball?
Okay.
and his dad was there filming. And
Yeah.
he was like he was playing catch with his little brother. His little brother was under the big
Yeah.
screen, and he threw the ball in the living room, and it hit the screen and just smashed.
That's the dad's fault.
I don't think
Yeah.
his dad cared.
No.
No, that wanted a new TV.
Right.
That would be handed
His
to
dad
Here,
just-
kid.
Yeah.
Do this.
Wait till mom comes
Do
home. Right?
this.
Look what these little bastards did. That's really funny. Can we hear it again? It
Black
sounded
Friday
really-
tomorrow. I'm getting a new one.
You want to hear it again?
Yeah, because he hit it really hard.
Well, he hit it with a real baseball.
Yeah, but it sounded like he threw it pretty good.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
He had an arm.
Good arm on him.
Yeah, he's got the.
He's hilarious. He's like
Let's
6
go,
or 7.
baby. Is that cracked?
Just a great.
That
Wait, did
crack.
that actually crack?
6'7".
That was funny.
Little kids.
That laugh is like
Little kids
so
have the best
mysterious.
laughs. Little kids have the best laughs.
Kid's gonna be breaking TVs for the rest of his life now.
What?
His mom calls him like, what?
I'm addicted.
Yeah. Yeah, you called it, Todd.
Brilliant.
That's good.
Have you guys ever broke something in your house as a kid?
Yes. Bunch of stuff. My best one was one time.
What have you done?
One time when I was a kid, our house, you went straight down the stairs to the front door.
Yeah.
And my little brother was sitting on the porch. And we had like the old school front door with like the aluminum on the bottom and the glass on the top.
Yeah.
So I threw my shoe down the stairs, but it bounced. and it went right through the window and hit him in the head.
Like right through the window.
Yeah, like he got hit with a shower of broken glass and like a Converse 1-star.
You break anything?
On purpose.
Yes.
Yeah. Like, I might have punched a window.
Punched a window.
Like, you know those screens? Those screens?
So you
Yeah.
punched out the screen.
Yeah,
yeah.
I just wasn't thinking.
Can you move your seat closer to the table? There you go.
Dante
Yeah.
was a tight ship.
I punched through the screen.
Like you meant to? It was just your
I was just
pissed off?
pissed off.
Yeah.
I've done that like another time and nothing happened. And this
Punch the
time
hole
you
through the
just,
screen.
This time went through.
you know how like windows have like a mesh?
Yeah.
And then a glass after the mesh.
Oh, it was like a screen with
Ah.
the window closed
My hand
behind
went
it.
through the mesh and hit the
Oh, I did that
hit the
when
glass.
I did that when I was asleep. I had lived in a shitty apartment in Hamilton
Yeah.
on Hess and Dunder in Hess Village.
Ooh.
Or Hess and Hunter.
Great neighborhood.
That's crazy. You know that place is even more crack infested than it was.
That was pretty good.
Crack
back then.
infested.
It was back when the bars were good back then. But I had pigeons on my balcony one time when I was sleeping and had been to Hess Village
Yeah.
that night. I like went to hit the window to get these pigeons to shut up, and I put my whole arm through to my elbow.
Oh. Did you cut
Have you
yourself?
done anything, Blair?
I feel like Blair's got some stories.
You Blair stories.
I always I
They-
feel like Dante has stories too.
The only thing that I ever really broke was I had a dirt bike growing up.
Yeah.
And I was coming home from a friend's place on my dirt bike, and I was a little late for dinner. And when I came into the garage, came in a little hot,
Yeah.
and I scraped down the rear quarter panel of my dad's sports car.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Red sports car?
No, it was gray.
Okay.
And I looked at it and went, well, I'm fucking dead. So I,
Yeah.
said my last rites. I went in the house all scared as shit. I go into the kitchen because he's cooking dinner, and I'm like, Dad,
I hate your car.
I fucking ran down
Yeah.
the side of your car with my clutch lever. And he's like, oh, it's all right. I'm getting it painted soon. I was like, holy fuck.
Nice.
But there was 10 minutes of me
Yeah.
like, fucking
Yeah, you're
fear.
scared.
Yeah, you.
Fucking fear.
In your head.
I'm like, oh, this guy's going to kill me.
Yeah, you had like
that's
good
always-
voices.
That's always a thing, right? You own up to something that's never as bad as you think.
Yeah.
Unless it's like murder.
But you done that? What have you done?
I have two stories that come to mind.
All
The
right.
first one,
Murder was the case that they gave me.
the first one was. Do you remember those singing magnets? Do you guys remember those?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Right. So you
Like a saxophone or whatever?
no, like the
Instruments?
magnets, and you throw them together in the air, and they go.
The little ball things?
No, but I like that sound.
Like
Viewers-
the
viewers
domino
at home,
ones?
did you like that sound? Would you like to hear it again?
Were those the magnets that killed kids when they swallowed them? Those ones?
Those I have those too. Those are buckyballs.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have a thing
Where
for
do you put
magnets.
You like maintenance, eh?
I like magnets. Anyways,
Okay.
so they had these like talking stones or
They really have
whatever.
a hold on 'em.
They're magnets.
Oh, okay.
You throw them up, and then they meet in the air, and then they
They kind of sing.
Oh,
yeah,
that's cool.
right.
Yeah.
So then one time, I held up my magnets to the old computer screen
That was fun.
and just wrecked it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, I
The
remember
CRTs,
that
you
one.
bleed,
Yeah.
yeah, big-
Yeah.
But then I was like, "Oh, that's so cool." So I went to my living room. I said, "Mom, look
Oh.
what I can do with the magnets." I did it to the
no.
TV.
Yeah, you broke it. Nice.
You didn't know that it
It can't
It
mess
met-
them up.
permanently damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the second one was we used to go to my friend's house to play basketball, and I'm terrible. Like I'm actually bad at basketball. And we're messing around. We're trying to do trick shots, and so his basketball net was at the top of his driveway.
Okay.
And I go to the other side of the street, so it was like the street and then the other side.
You like
And
a
I'm
trick
there,
shot.
and I'm like, I'm gonna whip the
Heave
ball
it.
from here.
Yeah.
Like LeBron.
Whew, throw it across.
Yeah.
And I knocked the window out of his garage.
Dude.
No, beautiful.
I completely missed.
Beautiful.
We had
Yeah.
my sister
I'm
did
half
that to our
black.
front window.
You guys know that?
Try it. No, my sister threw a pail of snow through our
From
front
the
window.
waist down?
No, I'm half black.
Okay.
I suck at swimming.
That was
Yeah,
long,
you sink, right?
that was a long
Broke my
drive
neck.
right there.
Yeah.
You can't tread just going like this?
Yeah, no.
I actually won some Special Olympic swimming competitions.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What in what? Like 50 meter, 100 meter, 25 meter?
25s.
It was just whoever made it. Whoever made it to the end.
25 freestyle. I think a couple 50s.
Really?
Freestyle. The gun goes off and there's 3 guys up there.
Yeah. Freestyle rap.
No.
You made it through the deep end. You get a medal.
Yeah, 25, like, they call for
Freestyle.
freestyle. My sister broke my Rubik's Cube as a kid.
I thought you were going to say wrist.
Like, oh, that too, but that's a whole different story that I won't get into. Or will I? Yeah, I love, like, Rubik's Cube as a kid.
Same.
Even though I can never crack the code,
I took
I used to just enjoy just like
Playing with it.
playing with it.
I peeled the stickers. I gotta admit.
Yeah, we all did. We all
Made it
peeled the
work.
stickers
No,
off.
I would take
Did
my
you?
Rubik's Cube apart and then put it back together
Yeah.
solved.
Right.
Oh, see, now you watch on
Snap it.
YouTube. My kid can do one in like 12 seconds.
Because he
He has a
knows
speed- he has
the
a speed cube. It's just logarithms.
the formula, right?
Algorithms.
So
Well,
algorithms-
apparently there's one
or
motion.
logarithms. I don't know what they're called.
Apparently there's one motion you can do that will solve a Rubik cube every time.
That's a lie.
Yeah, you smash it and put
Think
it back
so?
together.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, there's patterns for each.
Is that the interneted?
There-
Did I
there's
get
patterns for
interneted
each.
again?
There's patterns for each space. There's actually a really cool documentary on Netflix about like the world record holder for Rubik's Cube. So speed cubing is actually a real thing.
Yep. I used to watch it.
I
Yeah.
And
The what?
competitive
Yeah.
cup stacking. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
But
That's-
Rubik's Cube, the champion.
Artistic school will have an advantage in that competition.
I was watching
Exactly.
that on YouTube.
So yeah, there's a documentary on Netflix about it. So it was the Rubik's Cube champion always ages out at like 21 or 22.
Why?
Ages out.
You start to lose some dexterity and you can't keep up.
Ah.
So there's a documentary about this
It's
guy.
a young man's game.
It is a young man. So there's this documentary about this guy who was like a teen champion phenom.
Yeah.
And then as he was getting older, behind him there was an autistic kid. And this guy took him under his wing
Yeah.
and helped him become world champion. And they made a documentary about it on Netflix.
There is guy who battle raps. Like, he had like a Rubik's Cube as he rapping. Like he
Really?
solving Rubik's Cube as he was
Oh, wow.
battle rapping.
Show off.
What about
That's
that?
cool.
I like there's Jared's pulling on your wire.
That's what he
That's
does.
what's happening.
Grabs my cane.
What
I
are you
need a
stemming on
stem.
today?
I need a stem.
Yeah, I need to stamp. I saw on I think it's like America's Got Talent or whatever. There was
Yeah.
a magician that used Rubik's cube.
Yeah.
Rubik's cube, puts it in the bag and it's not solved, and then he like 10 seconds later pulls it out and it's solved.
I threw the magic.
I
of
love
buying
magic.
two. Yeah.
Are you guys a Magic fan or no?
I
Not
like-
as much anymore.
I like magic, but it's like I try to figure out what they've done
Yeah.
because it's all bullshit, right? Like David Blaine, I can fly. No, you can't.
It's
Oh, it's all tricks.
Some
It's
it's
cool,
all
so much.
tricks.
Yeah.
Some
yeah.
is mind control.
Mind freak.
Oh, that's amazing.
that guy
Chris
was-
I
Angels.
saw that fucking
That guy was like,
douchebag.
yeah, whatever.
I
But
saw
like,
that douchebag at the Luxor.
He's not a nice guy. I heard.
no, but the
I
David
don't know,
Blaine,
he
like
was
this,
filming. I was playing blackjack or something.
the David Blaine special, like Street Magic special, that first came out like in the 90s.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
When he
It
did the
was
levitation thing.
some of his tricks.
I love it the best when he goes in the hood because black guys react to magic.
Oh, I
the
love
best.
that.
They run around. They fucking scream.
I
no,
told
he
you. You saw me
didn't."
do that joke that I'm working on now.
No.
I did at the corner where my cousin brought a white man
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
home for
yes,
Christmas for the
yes.
first time.
Yeah, and he did
And,
magic.
and he
Don't
did
say
magic
anymore.
tricks.
If you would like to see more of Dante's,
Go check it out the corner.
There's
come
a
to the
Dave-
corner. Come
Yeah,
to
come
our
check us
open
out.
mic.
Yeah.
Come to Laughs Without Limits.
Yeah.
on December 20th.
Yes, he'll be there.
Yeah.
Oh no, he won't be there.
I think there's a Dave
Oh
Chappelle
shit!
joke
No,
about
he
that
won't
too,
be there.
right?
But come anyways.
I have
but-
another video for you guys. All
Check
it.
it out.
right. I don't even know how to describe this video, to be
More of a
honest.
cerebral video.
Uh oh.
More of a
Yeah,
thought-provoking
you know
video.
what? You're pretty close.
It's a snuff.
I'm-
Oh,
yeah.
cerebral.
palsy.
Oh, so you're pro-disability rights? Well, okay, then if that's true, crack me then. If you're really about the movement, put some movement in the movement, you know what I mean?
I want to say so many things.
I hadn't seen that. Is it like Downs
Just
guys?
let's move on. From
Let's
that.
move on.
Is it like Downs
Let's
guys?
move on. Let's move on. Let's
like-
move on.
Is it like Downs guys and boobies?
I have a lot to
Yeah.
say, but I can't say it.
Just with regards to this
Tune in
content
later.
creator, she's been doing this thing where she's trying to raise awareness for ALS by walking people on leashes.
Ah,
So she's in a chair, but then she puts someone on a dog leash.
Oh my god, I
And
saw
walk.
it.
yeah.
That's funny.
I think I finished.
Why
the
not?
Internet.
What?
Said I think I finished the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah. When
I saw that girl, and she's in a chair. She had Buddy on all fours.
Yeah.
Walking him like a.
yeah.
That's a make-a-wish.
There was a couple, 2 girls in my neighborhood. They had cat tails, cat ears.
Yeah.
And the one walked the other one daily.
Yeah.
And I saw them all the time. I was like, hey, what's up? How's it going? Or whatever, you know. as
In
they were walking
Trinity.
by.
she
Yeah.
said,
And then
"Meow."
one day I saw her, she was by herself. I'm like, oh, well, whatever. And then I saw her again.
I
And
had
then I
to
saw
put
her
her
again
down.
single.
I had to
And
put my cat
that's
down.
I looked at her. I'm like, did you lose your pussy?
And how did she respond to this?
She just smiled.
Or left.
Just smiled and kept walking. I'm like, did you lose your pussy?
Yep.
Yeah.
Always class.
And she still had the tail on. But I haven't seen her for a while.
Yeah.
She probably got booted out of the area.
And-
It's all fucking tech bros there now.
Ugh. Nothing worse.
Nothing worse than saying goodbye, but
We must do it.
we must do it. And next time, Dante.
Thank you guys for tuning in. If you'd like to see more of this show, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to be notified the next time we post a video. Make sure you guys leave a comment and leave a like because that helps us in the algorithm. And if you guys could be so kindly, go onto Spotify and leave us a 5-star review because that also helps boost our platform. Until the next time.
And if you're blind, the bell icon just says notify.
Goodbye, my love.
Peace. So long, my
Adios.
So long.
You have been the one. You have been the one for me.